Hey everyone, this is Lori, and in this video I'm going to be answering the question, what does it mean when a business claims their business on the Kidazzler directory? So before I get started, I'm just going to do a basic overview of what Kidazzler is and where you can find out more information and how you can join if you're not a member. If you're a member, just bear with me, or you can skip forward and go to the part that you want to learn about. Now, for people who are just coming across this and they don't know what Kidazzler is it's an app and a website that is going to be basically everything for kids and parents with kids. There's going to be all kinds of businesses that are kid-friendly, activities that are kid-friendly, and what you could do if you're invited to join, you can add businesses with a business that you lock into your name. Okay, and that's key. Whenever you add a business, it is locked into your name forever in regards to the Kidazzler directory. If they decide to become a paying member, then you can make shared revenue from the advertising revenue that Kidazzler makes. A business that you add directly, you get up to $10 per business that becomes a paying member. If you invite someone and a business they add becomes a paying member, you get $2. If someone that you invited invites someone else that has a business that they added that becomes a paying member, then you can make $1. And this is passive recurring income. Okay, now it's going to take time. A lot of people are getting really impatient, but I encourage people, don't get discouraged. Don't lose your patience. Don't close your account. Don't give up. There's thousands of members who have added thousands of businesses, and it's going to take time. Now, one thing that I really encourage you to do is to do your best to find an email that's associated with that business. Because when an email is added, Kidazzler automatically sends out an email introducing that business to the Kidazzler platform and provides information how they can become a paying member and advertise on the Kidazzler directory. Okay, so I can't express enough how important it is to find an email. If you can't find an email when you're looking for their information, see if they have a Facebook or Instagram or social media site that might have their email. Okay, and then add it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to my businesses and I'm going to find a business that has claimed their business and one that has become a paying member. Okay, so Drama Kids International in Marietta, Georgia has claimed their business. That's what it means. They've claimed their business. They went out and they double-checked all the information that I put in, and they claimed their business. Okay, and HTA Martial Arts Academy in Athens, Georgia became a paying member on 7/5, which was last Friday, 2019. So 7/5, 2019, they converted to a paying member. Okay, so first they claimed their business, and then they became a paying member. So that's what that means. Okay, and just to show you my actual earnings, this number is very high, but don't concentrate on this number. What they've done is this is potential earnings, and this is actual earnings. So it's $16 a month. Let's view the breakdown. Okay, so one of my businesses that I added became a paying member, and so I get $10 for that first month. And I'll get $10 per month moving forward as long as they continue to pay to advertise on Kidazzler. Okay, so two of the businesses of my direct invites, people I invited, 2 businesses have become paying members, so I get $2 per business $2 per business is $4. And then one of the people, actually two of the businesses that friends of my friends added have become paying members. And so my total recurring right now is $16 per month. Okay? And that's how I got it. I added a business that became a paying member. I invited people to join through my referral link. They added businesses. Two of those businesses became paying members. I get $4 per month on those businesses as long as they remain paying members. And then two people that friends of my friends invited became paying members. I get $1 per each business. That's $2. Now that's recurring. What is recurring? Recurring is it's continuing every month. Every month that these businesses pay to advertise on the Kidazzler directory, this is what I get paid. Okay? And it's going to go up. It is going to continue to grow. Now, let's look at the breakdown. Okay, now, I've invited friends that have added 7,470. That's 7,470 businesses. And those friends have invited people who've added 6,794, and then I have the 80 businesses that I added myself. Okay? So there's a lot of businesses, and I'm not the only one who's done this. I don't know, who else has this many businesses. It doesn't really matter because there are thousands of businesses that have been added. And one of the reasons I'm stressing, make sure that you try your best to find an email address, because that's Kidazzler's first line of communication, is to send them an email, and then they go from there. Now, Kidazzler is focusing on the businesses that have claimed their business. Those are the top priority. The ones who have claimed their business are the ones that Kidazzler is contacting at this time. So be patient. Don't get discouraged. Don't get upset. Okay? So even if you're only making, $10, $20 a month, that's still $10 or $20 a month that you wouldn't have had, because Kidazzler is a free opportunity for the contributing members. Okay? And again, this is going to be passive, recurring, monthly income. Okay? That's the kind of income you want. You want to do the work now and benefit later. Okay, so if you want more information, if you're new to Kidazzler, regardless of whether you signed up under me or someone else, please go out, read my blog, look through it. I keep it updated. I just updated it today, as a matter of fact. And I added some more information. So I hope that you'll go through it, read it, utilize their blog as well. I have a link to their blog. Learn about the founder, Alex, and read about him and his wife and their family. And because this is one of the rare shared opportunities or shared revenue opportunities that you're going to come across. Or come across. Okay? So it's an awesome opportunity. I love it. It will take time to generate the income. So you have to be patient. I can't express that enough. Be patient. Okay? Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me through my website, through my Facebook pages, or leave a comment on this video, and I will be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you.